If you've heard people talking about a QMS, a quality management system, and thought, that sounds complicated, here's the good news. It isn't. In the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly what a QMS is, why manufacturers use one, where standards like ISO 9001 fit in, and whether you actually need QMS software.
QMS stands for Quality Management System. Despite the name, it isn't just software. A quality management system is simply the way a company makes sure work gets done consistently, products meet customer requirements, and problems don't keep happening again. Quality management systems are used anywhere. Consistency matters. Manufacturing, aerospace, automotive, medical devices, oil and gas, food production, laboratories, logistics, construction, you'll find QMS requirements in almost every industry. Different industries often follow different standards. ISO 9001 is the most widely recognized. But depending on your industry, you may also hear about AS 9100 for aerospace, IATF 16949 for automotive, APIQ1 for oil and gas, ISO 13485 for medical devices, and others. Regardless of the standard, the idea is always the same. Define how work gets done, follow those processes consistently, and be able to prove that you did. One common misconception is that a QMS and ISO 9001 are the same thing. They're not. A quality management system is the system your company uses to operate. ISO 9001 is one standard that defines what a good quality management system should include. In other words, every ISO 9001 certified company has a QMS, but not every QMS is ISO 9001 certified.
The easiest way to think about a QMS is this. Imagine your best employee quits tomorrow. Could someone else step in and do the job exactly the same way? If the answer is yes, you probably have a decent quality management system. If the answer is everything is in Bob's head, you probably don't.
A quality management system is made up of a few simple pieces. You define how work should be done. You train people to do it. You keep records showing it was done correctly. When something goes wrong, you figure out why and prevent it from happening again. That's really it.
Many people imagine hundreds of procedures sitting in giant binders. That's what quality systems looked like 20 years ago. Today, a QMS includes much more than documents. Sales orders, purchase orders, work orders, inspection records, supplier information, equipment maintenance, training records, customer complaints, corrective actions, documents. Essentially, it's the information your company already creates every day, organized into one system.
Without a QMS, people perform the same work differently. Mistakes repeat, customer complaints increase, knowledge disappears when employees leave, audits become stressful, and many larger companies won't even consider you as a supplier unless you have a recognized quality management system in place. A good QMS doesn't just improve quality, it helps you win business. Do you need QMS software? The short answer is no. A quality management system is a business system, not a software package. You can manage one using paper, Microsoft Word and Excel, SharePoint, Google Drive, network folders, or other tools. In fact, thousands of companies still do.
The challenge isn't creating documents, it's managing everything around them, making sure everyone is using the latest revision, routing documents for review and approval, tracking who acknowledged a procedure, maintaining traceability, connecting purchase orders, work orders, inspections, and corrective actions, automating workflows, keeping everything consistent across the organization. You can absolutely manage all of that manually. It just becomes harder and harder as your company grows. Modern QMS software goes a step further. Instead of starting from generic templates, AI can generate procedures tailored to the way your company actually operates. It can continuously monitor your documentation for gaps, inconsistencies, and compliance issues. Help employees instantly find procedures, records, and evidence, generate training materials, track training completion, and even help answer auditor questions by finding the right evidence in seconds. But here's the important part. Software doesn't make you compliant. Software doesn't make you ISO 9001 certified. People do. The software is simply a tool that makes building, maintaining, and improving your quality management system much easier. If you're evaluating QMS software, don't start by comparing features. Start by asking one question. Does this software fit the way our company actually works? The best QMS isn't the one with the most buttons. It's the one your team will actually use.
If you're a small manufacturer, look for software that's easy to learn, easy to customize, affordable, scalable as your company grows, and ideally helps you build your quality management system, not just store documents.
A quality management system isn't about paperwork. It's about making sure your company delivers consistent quality every single time. Your QMS is the way your company operates. The software is simply one of the tools that helps you manage it. And when your people, your processes, and your software all work together, quality becomes much easier.